So I'm going to let you guys play around with trying to draw the stop rabbit, because that's really the crux of the whole project. So work on that. If you have some trouble, I can help you out with that. But see if you can tackle that problem. What I want to show you is how to get the bottom view, and we created 2 different layers just to conserve a little bit of paper. So I'm going to select everything. Well, actually no, I'm just going to select this view. I don't need to bring the other ones, and I'm going to copy. So I can either go up to Edit and choose Copy, or I can use Command C. Then I'm going to open up my other layer, which is bottom view, and I'm going to choose Paste in Place. And voila, I have my object there. I didn't need to draw it again. I just copied and pasted it. I'm going to get rid of the plastic laminate polygons because we don't see that from the underside. And I got to change some line values because now all of these poplar pieces are visible. We've just flipped the router table onto its back, and now we can see everything. And I want to show you a quick technique for centering your circle. Actually, I'll show you 2. One would be the pen and paper way. If you draw diagonals corner to corner, where they cross is the center point. So I could then choose to make a circle in the first mode, and the radius is 3.5, or the diameter is 7. I'm going to center at the next click, and I'm going to make sure I actually type in 3.5 for the radius. Click OK, and now I drop in my hole, my 3/16" deep mortise, and get rid of my lines. So that's pretty fast. Another way of lining up is just draw a temporary rectangle from corner to corner. And notice I get a center point now. So I could do the same thing. I could set up my circle, click OK, and now all I have to do is find that center point. And I could either leave the rectangle that I drew in there because it's not really hurting anything, or I could make sure I select it and delete it. So that's a pretty quick way of centering your circle. So this has been a pretty good project. You'll have to use a chamfer tool. You can choose to add and clip surfaces if you want, or just draw lines just to make it look like it. Either way is fine. You get to copy and paste your object to a different layer. So work on the other views and let me know how you guys do.